Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S multiplied by root of s is equal to 27. We're going to solve this equation using two methods. Then let's consider the first method. We have x root of s is equal to 27. Then let's square both sides of this equation. S root of s all square is equal to 27 square. Now, this is s square multiplied by root of s all square is equal to 27 square. Then this will cancel this. We have s square multiplied by s is equal to 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 to the power of 2. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to the power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to the power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power nm. Then, and if you have a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m, this is equal to a raised to the power n plus m. So this can be written as s to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to, this can be written as 3 square to the power of 3. This is s to the power of 3 is equal to 3 square, that is 9 to the power of 3. And from here, we have s is equal to 9, the exponent is equal to 3, then therefore, s is equal to 9, and this is the final answer. Let's consider the second method. Let's call this second method. From the second method, we have s multiplied by root of s is equal to 27. Then we know that if you have square root of a, this is equal to a raised to the power 1 over 2. So this is s multiplied by s to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to 27. Then this is also to the power of 1. We have s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Then this is s to the power of the LCM here is 2. Then this is over 1. 1 into 2 times 1. We have 2 plus 2 into 1 times 1. 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Then from there we have s to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Then we can multiply the exponent of both sides by the reciprocal of this, that is 2 over 3. We have s to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Then this will cancel this, this will cancel this. S is equal to, then we are multiplying this by 2 over 3. This will cancel this, 3 square. Then s is equal to 3 square, that is 9. We can check to confirm if this answer is right. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S multiplied by root of s is equal to 27. When s is 9, we have 9 multiplied by square root of 9 must be equal to 27. Then this is 9 multiplied by square root of 9, that is 3, must be equal to 27. So 9 times 3, this is 27, is equal to 27, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.